For this routine is 10 exercises, 50 seconds on and 10 seconds off. First exercise, cross-body mountain climbers. In high plank, drive each knee to the opposite elbow, keeping your core tight. Exercise 2 is crunch. With hands on hips, curl your shoulders towards your knees and lower with control. Exercise 3, up and down plank. Alternate between high plank on hands or low plank on forearms, embracing your core. Exercise 4 is reverse crunch. Lie back and use your abs to lift your hips off the floor without swinging your legs.
See, they be moaning about the hard times, don't wanna do the work, but the work is where the hard times meet the good that goes berserk. And while you're stressing out and being all depressing, I'll be learning lessons, writing, working hard and fighting every chance I'm getting. I know when I'm doing it right, I know when I'm doing it wrong, I know when I'm doing it better than anyone else on the scene when they're calling me Don. I know how to do this thing on a rap, know how to do this thing on a song, know how to put in the work and win in the race, and here is where I belong. And here is where I belong. Yeah, the practice gets worth it when the practice makes perfect. To make perfect, you gotta earn it, you gotta sacrifice and be assertive. To be the greatest, stay humble, stay focused, don't stumble. And you best be ready to rumble, come with a lion's heart in the jungle. Take on a topic, take on a challenge, take on the money and jump.
Exercise 5, plank jacks. In high plank, jump your feet wide and back together, maintaining a flat back. For low impact, please to do one leg side, center, the other leg side, center.
It's the same as when I'm putting all these lyrics to the song. I know when I'm doing it right, I know when I'm doing it wrong, I know when I'm doing it better than anyone else on the scene when they're calling me Don. I know how to do this thing on a rap, know how to do this thing on a song, know how to put in the work and win in the race, and here is where I belong. I know when I'm doing it right, I know when I'm doing it wrong, I know when I'm doing it better than anyone else on the scene when they're calling me Don. I know how to do this thing on a rap, know how to do this thing on a song, know how to put in the work and win in the race, and here is where I belong. But I've been wasting words on wasted gas from time to time to pass the time. From rap to grime, can rain or shine, from 9 to 5, the wars are left. But now my time efficiency is messing with the industry. I'm literally in symmetry, and these men here, they caught the vibe. And visually a symphony, express myself implicitly and willfully get what I want, and I will show my soul's alive.
Exercise 6, seated crunch. Sit in a C shape with legs hovering, then crunch knees through your arms while keeping your core engaged.
Hey, who you think you waiting on? I take you to the early morning. Just when you're waking up, you feel like you're falling off of a cliff so high. Then you hit the bed just right, staying up through these nights. It's alright. And every single time I call you, you know I got something for you. How could I ever ignore you? I WhatsApp like it's on you. And you know I'ma get there soon. You know I'ma get there soon. Baby, what's your mood? Tell me what's your mood. It's tonight, it's moonlight.
Exercise 7, crunch with leg drop. Start in a crunch with legs up, then lower them slowly to hover before repeating.
Cause you're drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. Drunk on me, yeah. You make it so we can walk. You make it so we can talk. Cause you're drunk on me, yeah. So drunk on me, yeah. Ooh, wait up, am I wasting time? I gotta hurry up and ride. I cut through the traffic lights just to get a piece of pie. I wanna bump and grind and move with baseline. And if you say it's fine, it's tonight, it's moonlight. It'll be shining through, yeah. It's tonight, when the mood's right. It makes you wonder what you're under. Cause you're drunk on me, yeah.
Exercise 8, plank. Hold a straight line plank on hands, tucking your lips and engaging your abs.
You make it so we can talk. Cause you're drunk on me, yeah. So drunk on me, yeah.
This battle in a man, a fight to the finish, we can war it to the end if you like. Cause you and them see that time's not a thing here when you've been blessed and born to the life. See me, I got
Exercise 9, heel touches. Lying on your back, reach your hands to tap each heel in an oblique targeting side-to-side motion.
for the breath from the gun and I'm gone. You best believe that I know where I'm from. See the man, them already know that it's on. We all know the hard work pays off. Everybody stays on. No one on my team is ever thinking of the days off. I do it when God willing. Furthermore, I want the whole team chilling. It's the graph that they don't see. I know that I won't be here to be sad at the end. That we can do it for real right here, no pretending. When I'm kicking the ball like Beckham is bending. Whatever the weather, I keep it together, I keep getting better. And nobody on this planet can tell me otherwise. Open up your eyes, you better recognize I'll be set on the stage, ready to go. The way that I know you don't know me, I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. I'ma win. I'll be set on the stage, ready to go. The way that I know you don't know me, I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. Let's begin. I said I got them all rattling, now I'm ready for battling. You wanna just tell me I'm not, but I'm having.
Exercise 10, plank with hip twists. In forearm plank, rotate your hips down toward each side in a controlled twist.
I'll be grappling, I know what the gamble is, believe I'ma handle this. I'll be set on the stage, ready to go. The way that I know you don't know me, I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. I'll be set on the stage, ready to go. The way that I know you don't know me, I'm the winner. Expert in the game, can't mean I'm no beginner. I've been there, I'm real. I've been into work when I'm ill. I've grafted, I've signed on, been laid off, been kept on, done cleaning, built vans, and I come on my night with paint on my hands. Had no funds, nights, had no phone, had bare stress, been so low. I've chased claims, been so mad, got so deep, been so sad. I've fixed up, I've hit back, I've picked up. I'm so glad I work hard, I stay strong, and I do it.
Well done, guys, and I'll see you to the next video.